Hello everybody, I miss you all so much. Did you miss me? Today I am going to read a book about something beginning with blue. Have you ever played I Spy? It's one of my favorite games. It's fun. If you don't know, don't worry. When we read the book, we will learn. Come, let's read. I spy with my little eye something beginning with blue. It is in blue sky, but it is in blue sea. It's 550 times bigger than me. Can you guess? Let me think. It must be a whale, a blue whale. I spy with my little eye something beginning with green. It's not one of these, and it's not one of those. It's got tough, scaly skin and blows smoke through its nose. A green dragon. I spy with my little eye something beginning with grey. It doesn't eat cheese. It might like some hay if it started to charge. I would get out the way fast. Can you guess? A grey rhinoceros. I spy with my little eye something beginning with brown. It's not chocolate buttons. It's not a brown owl. It's got lovely soft fur but a really fierce growl. A brown bear. I spy with my little eye something beginning with black. It's not a black bird. It's not a black cat. It has 8 wriggly legs and is hairy and fat. It's spider. A black spider. Check. We spy with our little eyes something beginning with yummy in my tummy. It's bursting with all of the colors you'll see. Can you guess what is it? What it is? It must be it's our fancy dress body. Fancy dress tea. And the end. To buy this book, click on the link below. Subscribe. Bye-bye.